In this video, we are going to be analyzing Carvana, ticker CVNA. Now, this is key. We're basically flat, actually, as we're recording this. But what is key is we did cover this stock yesterday. Pre all this move, you can see these levels held really well. We caught the resistances, we got the pullback plays. And like we say, the second time we test a level, we're more likely to break. So then we're looking more for a break and a retest. Exactly what we got here. Temporary pullback, break through, come back to test the level as a support, we hold. We go to our next target, $26. And as soon as we came into $26, strong sell-off. Now today, it actually looked a bit different to how we're currently trading. We did actually kind of, as the market opened, went right above this $26 level. And so what we were actually waiting for is kind of a hold of this level. If we can hold $26, this stock is going to get quite parabolic. We do expect quite a big move to the upside, but we weren't able to really hold it as of right now. And we ended up selling off back to our 23.50 target. So now, again, it is pushing up. It's most likely going to test for VWAP. It's if we can break the VWAP or not. But if we can break it back above this 26 and hold it as a support, our target goes to 29.10. Now, this level is key to note. Like if we were trading, definitely an area to be locking in profits. But it is a fourth deviation. We don't put as much weight on that as we do this level here. So really, if we can break and hold this 26, we definitely have potential to push all the way to $37.50. Now, this is where my bias might take over a bit because I'm a short, more of a reversal trader. So on a stock like this where it's gone quite parabolic, I'm looking for that reversal. I'm looking at it more short bias. So it means I might try and take some small size here if I see us kind of holding that as resistance. But if we start to break out, I am going to be patient. I'm going to wait for a break above 29, and really I'm going to have to wait for that move all the way to $37.50. If we don't end up getting there, not the end of the world, we'll just miss the trade. But really, if we do break and hold that 26, there is a good chance we could go all the way to $37.50, because again, that is our third deviation on the 1 year. Going to be a really strong resistance if we can get there. Now, if we continue to fall back to the downside, it's basically the levels we covered yesterday. So again, we're still holding this $23.50 support. As long as we're holding that, we're good. The main focus is if we start to break below our VWAP, that's this golden line here. Right now, it's at around $22.30. If we break below this, this is when you're considered quite bearish because, again, this is a 2-day anchored VWAP. You're not only going to be below the intraday VWAP, which is already a bearish signal, but if you're below the 2-day VWAP as well, it's just showing quite strong weakness. And then if we can break that, again, target's going to be around $19.85. This is just a long-term level. It's why it's got super small dashes, just to not get confused with deviations. So be paying attention to that, but really we would expect an overall move to around $18.50 if we can break below $23.50 and the $23. So that would be my main focus, really. And if we're looking all the way down, the main focus, if you're a short bias right now, the absolute final target would be $7.50. But, you know, that is a massive move. It's going to be a lot of risk to try and trade it to that level. So really, I would just be locking in at key levels along the way. So $23.50, take some size. Probably even take some at the VWAP or 2-day VWAP. Tiny bit of size on the key level. Tiny bit of size on the on the 6-month second deviation, and really just using each of these levels as profit targets on the way down. So again, that covers both the upside or downside potential moves. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you will probably enjoy this video too.